Years ago, Grandmaster Buell set us down and shared with us what the difference is between a dream and a goal. And now I want to share that with you. Well, hello, everybody, and welcome back to Stepping Stones to Your Success. This is Garland, and tonight we're going to go into critical management skill number 7, which is knowledge is not power, applied knowledge is power. A lot of you have been asking me, what systems do I use to stay on focus and stay on track, and what time management systems I utilize? Now, I'll be the first to say that I have not discovered any magic pill that covers all the bases, but I have discovered some systems that seem to work well for me. So let me tell you a quick story about streams of thought. Years ago, Steve LaValle shared a concept at an educational funding company Y-Factor seminar that Bridget and I attended at the West Coast schools that were ran by Ernie Reyes. Now, he explained how he keeps his notes at this type of learning. What he does is he takes a notepad and put a vertical line down the middle, puts his notes on the left side, and puts his action items that he wants to accomplish when he gets back home on the right side. He went on to explain and calls it streams of thought. He immediately puts down his aha moments on the right side of the paper to incorporate into his action items later when he reviews his notes. I got to tell you, I would take notes like a madman, and I would put them into my laptop when I got home. This turned out to be a real time sink, y'all. And finally it dawned on me, why don't I just take my laptop to the seminars and type the notes as we go, instead of handwriting them and then typing them in later. And boy, did that save a lot of time. Now, of course, I wasn't able to put the vertical line down the middle of the laptop, but I was able to adapt the streams of thought concept. So when an aha moment would come up, I would include that in the notes as an action item without a date assigned. So after the seminar, I'd then go back and cut and paste all of the action items to the bottom of the document and then assign a date accordingly. So from there, it was easy. I would just refer back to the action items to remind me of the things that need to happen. And I wouldn't beat myself up if I missed a date because I know the action items were going to get done. This helps me tremendously as a quick reminder of what needs to be focused on. As Kyoshi Steve LaValle says, all ideas are good. The best ideas are the ones we take action on and implement. Years ago, Grandmaster Buell set us down and shared with us what the difference is between a dream and a goal. And now I want to share that with you. And he said, your dreams and your goals are the same with one exception. Your goals have a deadline and your dreams do not. Therefore, in order to change your dream into a goal, you must assign a date for completion. Now, one last note on this directed to you. Your subconscious mind is a very powerful tool and works 24/7. Furthermore, I have learned that your subconscious mind works best when it has a goal with a deadline to focus on. So quite simply, you identify the what and the when, and your subconscious mind will figure out the how. So that brings us back full circle on critical management skill number 7, which explains the concept around streams of thought. Again, knowledge is not power. Applied knowledge is power. Have a great rest of your evening. All the best to your family, and I'll be back to you real soon.